What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on Jasmy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so at the current moment, Jasmy is still trading in the range of just under 2 cents. Their market cap is 892 million, which ranks 89th among all cryptocurrencies. And their circulating supply still hasn't changed, 49.3 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is about 98.6% in circulation. Now, if you guys are looking to buy into Jasmy's sideways consolidation, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And then I also wanted to show you guys this article 2 days ago. Jasmy surges 3.4%, analyzing future price predictions is now the right time to invest. Now I'll just go ahead and skip to the conclusion of the article. With its recent performance and promising partnerships, Jasmy could be a solid investment. However, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and consider diversifying your portfolio. Newer tokens like Solana also offer potential for significant returns. But now I also just want to let you know that they haven't posted anything on Twitter since my last video. So if we're looking at Jasmy news, I just simply searched up Jasmy on Twitter. And there are a few posts I want to talk about. The first one is Steph is Crypto. Jasmy traded sideways for over 70 days now. Expect a significant price move once we see a breakout from this range. And I'll go into TA at the end of the video, but I have been saying the exact same thing. Jasmy has just been completely in consolidation. Now he's saying when we get a breakout, but the reality is we also very easily could break down out of this. But either way, I'm sure the move is going to be very explosive. And then Mr. Bull Rush 10 hours ago. This bar statistics updates every hour and shows total bullish and bearish volume along with long and short liquidations for Jasmy. Shaded box area shows Jasmy longs are getting wrecked at the moment. Shorts may be in control for now. But in general, there are still a lot of people who are posting about Jasmy, which is very important to see because community is one of the strongest driving forces in crypto, and it is crucial to the success of a project. But now we'll hop into some macro news that could possibly have an effect on Jasmy's price action. So this is Watcher Guru's X account, and they just posted 2 hours ago. U.S. House votes to overturn SEC rule preventing highly regulated financial firms from holding Bitcoin and crypto. Now what's fascinating is a lot of people would consider this to be very bullish. However, Bitcoin actually dropped after this news came out. Now whether or not that's actually the reason it dropped, who knows? But it did nonetheless. And then 4 hours ago, Robinhood reports 26 billion worth of cryptocurrencies under custody in Q1 of 2024. 26 billion for Robinhood is crazy. Imagine what companies like Binance and Coinbase have. And then 12 hours ago, FTX says almost all customers of the bankrupt crypto exchange will get full refunds. Now, honestly, at this point, it is a little bit late, but better late than never. And then lastly, on May 7th, Fed official says keeping interest rates where they are for longer than the public expects is much more likely than raising rates. Obviously, we would love to see rates get lower, but it's much better than them getting raised. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, so there's some information you guys are probably not going to want to miss out on. And then I do also want to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And a lot of the cryptos that we trade in here are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. A lot of you guys out there are thrilled when Jasmy makes 10% gains in a week. We make gains like that all the time in here. For example, we made 108% in less than 1 day, 250% in 2 days, 60% in 2 hours, 23% in 6 minutes, 106% in 2 days, but the gains just go on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We are building a very strong community. I would love to have you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Jasmy on the daily time frame. Now, kind of like the tweet I showed you earlier, the reality is yet again, Jasmy is trading in heavy consolidation. We have completely been trading sideways. So there's honestly just 2 options. Jasmy is either going to have a massive explosion upward or a massive drop. And honestly, a pretty big part of that is going to be overall Jasmy news or whether or not Bitcoin explodes or drops. But at the current moment, Jasmy has broken beneath the 21-day and the 50-day. That isn't really something we want to see. But it's not the end of the world. That can very easily be reversed. Now, Jasmy is also currently trading on a high volume node on the VRVP. So if you guys have the pro version of TradingView, I recommend turning on this indicator. Usually these high volume nodes work as magnets. So if we break above this high volume node, there's a great chance we come up to this upper level. And this one's sitting in that 2-cent range. But if we break beneath, there's a pretty good chance we come into this range, which is about 1.5 cents. But honestly, there's not a whole lot to talk about on Jasmy right now. Yet again, we're just in heavy consolidation. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is Bitcoin on the 4-hour because it's very important. And this is where things start to look not as good. So today, Bitcoin has officially broken beneath all of the moving averages. That's not what we want to see at all. Therefore, a little bit, I thought there was a decent chance we could get back above the 200-day or at least retest it, and that did not happen. Now, I will say, at the current moment, price action does swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low, which is a very strong Class A bullish divergence. So based on that, we absolutely still could get a bounce up. But the problem is now, even if we do get that bounce, we still have to be cautious of a bearish retest. And as you can see, we have been rejected many different times off of the 200-day. But in general, the RSI and stochastics are both getting very oversold. So there is a pretty good chance that we do end up retesting those levels. But if we get rejected again and we fall all the way back down to about 59,000, then there is definitely a chance that Jasmy drops right along with Bitcoin. So I highly recommend watching the 4-hour on Bitcoin. But by the time you guys are seeing this video, you'll probably have a much better idea of what direction we're going to be heading in the short term. And as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.